What?
So, over there, you see that? That's Logan's ride.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
You said you told him not to bring the tractor.
Is it? Wait, is it even a tractor?
Yeah, it's a tractor, I think. I think that's like a scoop thing.
Aiden, if you beat me up, there's recording, so don't
Yeah.
stop recording.
Don't be at Logan or else it'll be on the internet.
Somebody took my book.
Wasn't me.
It was the book thief! The notorious book thief has returned!
I pre-ordered that the day it came out. And I better get it now.
Aiden, you're weird.
Don't make him any more angry than he
Aiden, you're weird.
Logan, stop! Logan, stop! You're gonna get yourself murdered!
Aiden, you're weird. Wait, what?
Eric, you lied to me. It's beautiful. Now you lied. You got some explaining to do, mister.
Okay, look, I thought we had it. Plus, Miss Pampas said we were
Aiden, this is on camera.
Put it. Is it on the ground? If it's on the ground, I swear I'm gonna kill somebody.
There's gonna be blood. Ooh, this is getting good. What's your profanity? Don't touch my phone.
Break her phone.
If you bring my phone, you're paying for it.
Hey, you Logan!
Logan! Aiden, stop! Aiden, do not hurt the children. This is Evans. This is getting juicy right here. It's getting some juicy.
Oh my God!
Aiden, let go of the children.
Aiden, they just put it
Are you okay, innocent child? Yes. Good. Who are you? I don't even know who you are.
I'm the person after stuff on.
Ah.
I don't even know what book it is.
Oh, that helps.
Kid, I swear I'm gonna kill you. His name is Little Logan.